Welcome. Today we're diving into a helpful guide on how to search for audio files you've received in Google Drive on your PC, especially after the recent updates. If you've ever struggled to find that one audio clip among countless files, this step-by-step process will simplify your search. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google Drive by typing in drive.google.com. Once you're logged in, you'll see your Drive interface, where all your files are stored. Next, focus on the search bar at the top of the page. To enhance your search capabilities, click on the Advanced Search icon. This icon looks like a small funnel and will open up additional options to refine your search. In the Advanced Search menu, you'll notice several fields to customize your search. From the Type drop-down menu, select Audios. This option filters your results to show only audio files, making it easier to locate what you need. Now let's narrow it down even further. In the Owner section of the search options, choose Not Owned by Me. This setting is crucial as it allows you to find audio files that others have shared with you, ensuring you don't miss any important clips that are not in your personal collection. After setting these filters, click on the Search button. Google Drive will now display a list of audio files that meet your criteria. Take a moment to browse through the results and find the audio file you want. Once you've located the desired audio file, you can easily play it directly from Google Drive or download it for offline use if necessary. This streamlined process not only saves time, but also enhances your productivity by allowing you to quickly access shared audio content without sifting through unrelated files. In summary, searching for received audios in Google Drive is straightforward with these steps. Open Google Drive, click on the Advanced Search icon, select Audios from Type, choose Not Owned by Me from Owner, and finally find the audio you want. With these tips in mind, you'll be able to navigate your files like a pro. Happy searching!